Hi everyone, I'm Christina Hudson, the chairperson of PWFJL. You're watching Eddie Vision. Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. Alright, so this time around, Leon Bailey update. Now, Fenerbahce eyeing Leon Bailey swoop. Price tag also revealed. Now, Turkish giants Fenerbahce are reportedly interested in signing the 27-year-old Jamaican attacker Leon Bailey from Aston Villa in the summer transfer window. Could this be happening? Is this true? According to a report by Turkish outlet Fatumak, Leon Bailey is a subject of interest from Fenerbahce. The Turkish Super League heavyweights are keen on reinforcing their offensive unit by signing a wide attacker in the summer transfer window. So the Aston Villa winger has emerged as a target for the Yellow Canaries. Turkish giants have already been active in the market this summer, signing John Duran, Archie Brown, and Tariq Sitin. Meanwhile, Aston Villa will demand around €35 million to part ways with the former Bayer Leverkusen winger in the summer transfer window. But last season has been a real roller coaster for Leon Bailey at Aston Villa. Leon Bailey has endured a topsy-turvy ride since joining Aston Villa from Bayer Leverkusen in August 2021. The Kingston native has been a pivotal figure at times for the West Midlands outfit, but he has blown hot and cold in many phases, and his stock plummeted in the 2024-25 season. The 27-year-old managed only 2,072 minutes of game time across 38 appearances across all competitions, while chipping in with 2 goals and 7 assists. So, it's hardly surprising that the Jamaican international faces an uncertain future at Aston Villa. Bailey's next destination may be Istanbul, with Fenerbahce keen on securing his services. Fenerbahce's interest in Leon Bailey is understandable. The Turkish giants are scouring the market for a versatile wide attacker this summer as they aim to push Galatasaray for the Superliga. So, several candidates, including Leandro Trossard, have emerged on Fenerbahce's radar, with Bailey also a viable target. Considering Bailey has no future at Aston Villa, the West Midlands outfit should not make it difficult for Fenerbahce to secure his services in the summer transfer window. However, the Villains want a fair price to part ways with the Kingston native, and they have slapped a price tag of €35 million on him. So that is the latest, people, on Leon Bailey. Talks are ongoing to sign the winger from Fenerbahce. So let's see if they can get this one over the line. There is also the possibility of Leon going to Saudi. That's another option if he chooses to take that one up. So it's between Turkey and Saudi at this moment. We know the Saudi deal would be very, very lucrative for the youngster. Very, very lucrative. I have to say that again. So depends on what Leon Bailey wants to do. Do you want to stay in Europe or go across? It will be up to him and his handler, but it should be interesting the next couple of days to see what Leon Bailey does. It doesn't seem as if Aston Villa want him anymore, and that's very obvious, but should he go and work under Jose Mourinho? That's something big as well. One thing for sure though, if he works with Mourinho, if he gets game time, I believe Mourinho is the one to improve him. He must have some amount of improvement playing under Jose Mourinho. Even if it's without the ball, you know. And you know, Mourinho over the years is very defensive, and all of his players have to do the dirty work. They have to run back, they have to be defensive, sound without the ball, they have to press, they have to be very disciplined. So all of this can improve Leon Bailey. And for me, he's no middle ground. If he plays, or he's just on the bench for me at Fenerbahce. It will be a little bit of competition to make that team. But however, he has the skill set in which Jose Mourinho is looking for. I don't know if the attitude will be 100 all the time, you know, but one thing for sure, if he wants to improve his game, Fenerbahce. If he wants to improve his bank account, Saudi. If you get the picture. So, Leon, do what's best for you, do what's best for your family, and also your footballing career. But as a fan, I would rather you go to the Turkish league if you're going to leave the Premier League. I do see a really improving down in Saudi. The likes of Demarai Gray, you know, he went there for a couple of seasons and left. You can tell about down there, you know what I mean. You know, you might get homesick. The culture is much different, the football is different, and you know, maybe you're not suited to that league and that country. You know, you like to party and, you know, have fun, and maybe that's not your vibe. You know what I mean? But for me, sign that thing, Fenerbahce, Jose Mourinho. For me, I don't know about anybody else. But what say you guys? Turkey or Saudi? Just drop it in the comment section. I want to say Turkey or Saudi. That's it. No long talking, people. Alright? I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe.
I'm Junior Flemings. You're watching Eddie Vision TV. You know, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. You know, so just keep supporting, and together we are one. One Jamaica. One love.